Later na, later na. Of course, Sergeant Gabo. Can you tell us about this movie, Gab?
It's nice to be in your show again. Welcome to Sharon. And hi, Cheryl. And kamusta po kayo? Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Nagpunta kami kanina sa Grand Central sa May Caloocan. At there were about we had a show there para sa Gabo. At may mga siguro 5,000 ang mga nandun. Mga 5 levels yun, punong-puno yun. At sinabi ko sa kanila na manood ng Sharon ngayong gabi. At lahat sila nanonood ngayon. So yung mga nandun kanina, kamusta kayong lahat?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. And sino-sino ang mga kasama mo in Sergeant Gabo?
Kasama ko dito si Rudolph Yaptinchay, si Aiko Melendez, si Donita Rose, Patrick De La Rosa, Roel Vernal. And I hope you don't expect too much on the movie kasi hindi naman Fernando po to. Hindi naman Rudy Fernandez to.
No.
But we did our best to make the movie naman presentable as what you can see in the trailer.
Not only that, I have seen the trailer and I didn't expect to see something like that. I have to tell you, mga kaibigan, this is a very nice action movie that you can't miss. Please watch Gabo. It's not only for the future of our daughter, but it's really a nice movie. No, really.
Yun, this is directed by Mao and under Regal Films. Ayan po, another one of those Regal Films action movies. Produced by Ms. Monteverde and Mr. Remy Monteverde.
When is this showing?
Sa 11 na ho ang showing, so July 11. So we are inviting you. This is my first action movie. 11 na ho ang showing. Sana ho mabigyan nyo ng konting suporta. And then again, I'm ulitin ko po, it's not a Fernando po movie, a Rudy Fernandez movie. So I hope you like the movie, July 11 na po. Hi, Mami.
On July 31, our movie showing also. But before that, you watch first Sergeant Gabo.
Ayun,
That's
yung
action,
amin.
ours is drama eh.
Yung amin sa 31 pa.
Ayan.
First
Okay.
week of August.
So thank you very much, Gab, for coming over.
Okay. Yeah, it's nice to be in your show again. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sergeant Gabo, when again? July?
July 11.
July 11. Don't miss it. Right now, Gabs and mga kaibigan, now armed with the theme song from the movie, Bus na ang luha ko. Hindi po mauubos ang paghanga natin kay Miss Cheryl Cruz.